Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize closed captions and subtitles on supported video apps on your iPhone. So you're going to go to accessibility, and you are going to find subtitles and captioning. If you want, you can enable this closed captions for the deaf and hard of hearing, and here you can change the style. You have this transparent background one, you have large text, classic, outline text, or you can even create your own style. And you're just going to click on the one that is most suitable for you. And you can also show audio transcriptions for announcements from HomePod. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!